Now, in our previous videos, we had a conversation about the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, the name box, and the formula bar. Now, just to further our conversation on the UI, let's discuss the status bar in Microsoft Excel. So we have our Microsoft Excel open over here. We have already discussed or had an overview of the quick access toolbar, and just below that we have the ribbon, and then just below that we have the name box and the formula bar, which is quite important. Now, if you go all the way to the bottom, and this is sometimes commonly missed, is something called as the status bar right over here. Okay. So we have got some important stuff that can potentially show up there as and when you work with data in Excel. So I'm going to recommend to you to keep an eye on that as and when we proceed further with our videos. Okay. We'll talk about various features that show up and that things that you can activate inside the status bar. So if you go all the way to the right, you will see that there are certain layouts. Right now, I'm in something called as normal layout. Then if you click on the second button, you can go to the page layout, and similarly there is a page break preview as well. Now all these three views are also available under the view tab over here. So if you click on view, you will see those layouts: normal, page break preview, and page layout here as well. And then right at the very corner, you will find a tool for zoom. So you can either zoom in or you can zoom out. All right. Now, if you right click on the status bar, you will see that there are so many options that are available over here, which are not yet showing up on the status bar. Now, these are enabled as and when you work with the data. And we will discuss that in upcoming videos on how you can use them. All right. And apart from that, you have this middle area over here with rows and columns. Now, this is the area where you actually work with your data, and then you can do many calculations and data manipulations over here. And this is called the workbook, all right? And this particular sheet is called worksheet. So this is sheet number 1, and you can keep on adding further sheets over here, which can contain a different data over here, okay? So we will discuss this in detail in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned.